So we're just doing another little video on topping up the, as you can guess by this filler plug, the transmission fluid. And maybe I named my truck after the filler plug, who knows. Right, let's have a look. We had about a litre left in this, just over a litre, so we thought we'd put in the rest of it. And we've got a funnel there set up with an old washing machine hose, plastic connector. We took out 1050 grams and we put back in 1050 plus a little bit for some residual losses. Going underneath, let's have a look. Easy to drain, of course. There's your drain. There's the check. We don't need to check because what we've taken out we've put back in. And there's the pipe, plastic pipe going up under the bonnet. And we'll get in here and have a look. We've just fashioned this little 90-degree bend. Take that out. There it is. Yeah. We'll put the plug back in, and that's good for another 10,000 K.